Yes, I do. I believe that one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. And it's hard, days seem so dark. The moon, the stars are nothing without your touch, your skin. Where do I begin? No words can explain the way I'm missing you. The emptiness is whole down inside. The tears they tell their story told me not to cry when you were gone. But the feeling's overwhelming, it's much too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you, and make sure you're alright? I take care of you. I don't want to be there if I can be with you tonight. I'm reaching out to you. Can you hear my call? This hurts, but I've been through. I'm missing you like crazy. Can I lay by your side next to you? And make sure you're alright. I take care of you.